Welcome to GrowRich, where we inspire you to live your best life. Today, we're diving into the world of financial success and personal growth. If you're in your 20s and want to build wealth, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll reveal 5 proven habits that can set you on the path to financial abundance. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our life-changing content. Now let's embark on this exciting voyage toward financial empowerment. Habit 1. Invest in your financial education. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Start by reading books, taking online courses, and attending seminars to boost your financial IQ. The more you learn, the more you can earn. Take the story of Jane, a college graduate who landed her first job with a decent salary. She decided to invest in her financial education. Within a year, she read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad and The Millionaire Next Door. She also enrolled in an online finance course. As a result, she not only managed her money better, but also discovered opportunities for smart investments. In fact, a study by Investopedia found that individuals who invest in their financial education tend to have higher net worth. On average, their wealth grows at a rate of 22% faster than those who don't. So the first step in building wealth in your 20s is to feed your mind with the wisdom that can open doors to financial abundance. Whether it's through books, online courses, or live seminars, each nugget of financial wisdom you acquire is a building block of your future success. Keep in mind that the more you learn, the more you can earn. Habit 2. Master the art of budgeting and saving. The key to building wealth is not just what you earn, but what you keep. Create a budget, stick to it, and automate your savings. A portion of your income should go into investments, such as stocks or real estate. Meet Mark, who started budgeting rigorously in his 20s. He tracked every expense and cut down on unnecessary spending. He set up an automated transfer to his savings and investment accounts every month. Over time, Mark accumulated a significant nest egg and made a down payment on his first investment property. A survey by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reveals that only 41% of Americans use a budget. Those who do save on average 20% more of their income compared to those who don't budget. So here's the key takeaway. To build wealth in your 20s, it's essential to take control of your financial destiny. Create a budget that aligns with your goals, stick to it rigorously, and automate your savings. Remember, a portion of your income should be strategically directed into investments, such as stocks or real estate. This habit doesn't just secure your present, it paves the way for a prosperous future. Habit 3. Network like your wealth depends on it, because it does. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Attend industry events, join online forums, and build meaningful connections. You never know when the right contact can open doors. Let me share the journey of Sarah, a young professional. Sarah attended networking events both in person and online. She reached out to successful individuals in her field and built genuine relationships. One day, a contact she made at a conference offered her a job opportunity she would have never known about otherwise. A study by Harvard Business Review found that 85% of jobs are filled through networking. It's not just about job opportunities. It's about the valuable insights and support you can gain from a strong network. Let's put this into perspective. Building a powerful network isn't just about collecting business cards. It's about surrounding yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. It's about attending industry events, joining online forums, and actively engaging in the conversations that matter to you. Remember, you never know when the right contact can open doors that lead to financial prosperity. Cultivating a network like your wealth depends on it can be the difference between financial mediocrity and abundance. Habit 4. Invest for the long term. Patience and consistency are key in wealth building. Invest in assets that appreciate over time. Start with small investments if you have to, and let compounding work its magic. The earlier you start, the more you'll have in the future. Take John, who began investing in his 20s. He started with a small monthly contribution to a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Over the years, his investments grew substantially due to compound interest. By his 40s, he had a substantial nest egg for retirement. A report by the National Institute on Retirement Security highlights that the average working-age household has only $3,000 saved for retirement. However, by consistently investing and harnessing the power of compounding, you can secure your financial future. The lesson here is clear. To build wealth in your 20s, you must invest with the long term in mind. Patience and consistency are the essential virtues. Invest in assets that have the potential to appreciate over time, whether it's the stock market, real estate, or other vehicles. Even if you start with small investments, the magic of compounding ensures that your wealth can grow substantially over the years. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you'll have in the future. This habit is a powerful lever that can catapult you toward financial prosperity. Habit 5. Cultivate an entrepreneurial spirit. Consider starting a side hustle or a small business. Entrepreneurship can be a powerful wealth-building tool. It's not just about money. It's about building something meaningful and creating opportunities for yourself. Let's look at James, who started a small online business while working a full-time job. His business, initially a side hustle, eventually grew into his main source of income. He's not only financially successful, but also finds immense satisfaction in being his own boss. According to a report by the Small Business Administration, small businesses created 1.6 million net new jobs in 2019. Starting a business not only provides you with financial opportunities, but also contributes to the overall economy. Here's the essence of this habit. Cultivating an entrepreneurial spirit in your 20s can be a powerful wealth-building tool. It's not just about the money, although financial success is undoubtedly a part of it. It's about pursuing your passion, creating something meaningful, and seizing opportunities that align with your vision. Whether it's a side hustle or a small business, entrepreneurship offers the potential for financial prosperity, personal fulfillment, and the chance to make a positive impact. So, don't hesitate to explore your entrepreneurial potential. It could be the key to unlocking a future of abundance and purpose. And there you have it, 5 proven habits to build wealth in your 20s, backed by real examples and statistics. These habits can truly transform your financial future. Remember, it's not about overnight success, but consistent effort and smart choices. Start today, invest in yourself, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this video inspiring and actionable, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to see it. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Until next time, keep pursuing your dreams and living the life you deserve.